dear friends, welcome back. In this video, we'll be seeing endocrine glands and the hormones produced by these endocrine glands and the target organs where these hormones regulate their functions. Let's start. Here, I have created a table where in first column, I have mentioned the endocrine gland, and in the second column, I have mentioned the major hormones produced by these endocrine glands, and in the third column, I have mentioned the primary target organs, where these hormones regulate their functions. Adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla are the two glands that are present at kidney. Adrenal cortex produce two major hormones, that is glucocorticoids and aldosterone. Glucocorticoids, the targets are liver and muscles, and the aldosterone targets kidneys. Adrenal medulla produces epinephrine hormone, and this epinephrine hormone targets heart, bronchioles, and blood vessels for their regulation. Anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary, these two glands are under direct control of hypothalamus. Anterior pituitary, which is also called adenohypophysis, these anterior pituitary synthesize tropic hormones. These tropic hormones are seven tropic hormones. The targets for these tropic hormones are endocrine glands and other organs. Posterior pituitary, which is also called neurohypophysis, these produce two hormones, that is antidiuretic hormone, which is also called vasopressin, and oxytocin. Antidiuretic hormone, the target for antidiuretic hormones are kidneys and blood vessels. For oxytocin, the targets are uterus and mammary glands. Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is considered as neuroendocrine structure. The hormones produced by hypothalamus are neurohormones. These hormones are releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. These hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones, that is anterior pituitary and also the posterior pituitary. Small intestine. These small intestine secrete hormones like secretin and cholecystokinin. These two hormones target the stomach, liver, and pancreas. Islets of Langerhans. This gland is present in pancreas. These islets of Langerhans cells produce insulin and glucagon hormone. Insulin target many organs, and glucagon targets liver and adipose tissue. Kidney. Kidney produces erythropoietin hormone. This hormone targets bone marrow for regulation. Liver produces somatomedins. This hormone targets cartilage. Stomach produces gastrin, and this targets stomach. Ovaries. Ovaries is a female reproductive part. This ovaries produce estradiol and progesterone hormone. These hormones target female reproductive tract and mammary glands. Testis, which is male reproductive part, produces testosterone. This hormone targets prostate gland, seminal vesicles, and other organs. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland produces T3, T4, and calcitonin hormone. These hormones target most of the organs. Thymus. Thymus produces thymopoietin hormone. This hormone targets lymph nodes. Parathyroid hormone produces parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid gland produces parathyroid hormone, which targets bone, small intestine, and kidneys. Pineal gland produces melatonin hormone. This hormone targets hypothalamus and anterior pituitary for the regulation. This is the end of the video. We have discussed the endocrine glands and their hormones produced and the targets. Thank you.